In yet another protest against the reservation policy, members of the Hynniewtrep National Youth Movement (HNYM) had gathered today, the 31st of August 2023, near the statue of Kiang Nangbah adjacent to Civil Hospital, Shillong. However, they were stopped by the district administrators to proceed towards the main secretariat building while on a peaceful march to insist upon the government to formulate an employment policy for the citizens of Meghalaya, as till date the problem of unemployment still persists in the state. In relation to such protests, the district magistrate had imposed Section 144 CRPC within 200 meters of the main secretariat building and also near the Raj Bhavan, Shillong, to prevent any breakdown of law and order resulting from such protests.
Kalian kata session kita lang ni bagi pengikut assurance nabi. Ba when did kontrak sama la ban fulfill yang ini kadiman. Only that much. Ba lano unya kedua bagi and what is the assurance?
Yang menumdan lano mentah baik kedai. Ba unha pensan bagi yang keren baik.
Waman lano tinggi lano. Mentak sini.
Martumreu. Nama lada baik lada ngin penkon jarali sebuah mentah. Lada uang ngin bu iban keren la asmi la lai sini dah umpat. Manu ban garanti. De mentah ngi kwa baik ba umpat mentah baik apa ide begini ngin keren mentah. De lada kecing keren ngilin yung ngilin no ngilayu arte kata jing temu betungi. This is a very genuine issue here. Ka effect ya ki odem pra youth tong kaskit paro away even ki pun ki tong ki la sai hadin buat ro. Yung rep tinum la ban ndai ba ong yaki na mentaka personal benefit and personal interest yung ikam dai. Kun dong pi ro dan kami kan employment policy reservation 80% per lokal. Dia nikba jong kini pi kebun ke belna ban khang lendi la dang idan kan employment policy. Dia kerana ka influx wa kaduna namar umla sukan manra bar jelah ni sipun igi balong iba mentoy na employment policy jela nak kiwe kiskit gila ban bu ya ki person jong gila ban bu ya employment policy boleh dikit
ba mentak kesini pihak pana assurance ini ba kontrak sama udai ban dikena jadi lano nda tambah kod ya keren tambah syukur keren anar tu uba salak bentuk moy keren nang tu yes. This is a very genuine issue wong under deru. Rai wong let us examine in the cabinet and discuss in the cabinet and will particularly inform you. Tapi sistem larang, sistem urban kita.
And this is a final and very clear message kolom ni nakasangi lada ngimpat yo kanu penginyakran lani kanu kapa sukses kanu kalian ngimpat ki nang ni. This is a very clear message and the last message.